Welcome to Clickety-clack, your finance buddy. You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding residential real estate investing. Diving into residential real estate, your path to property profits. This journey can be both exciting and rewarding, offering numerous opportunities for financial growth and stability. Residential real estate is simple, yet it holds immense potential. It's a sector where anyone can start, regardless of their background or experience. It's about buying, owning, and selling properties where people live. This can range from cozy single-family homes to bustling apartment complexes. This includes familiar options like single-family homes, the perfect starter investment for many. These properties are often the first step for new investors, providing a manageable entry point into the market. Then there are apartments, providing housing for many families at once. These buildings can range from small multi-unit dwellings to large complexes with hundreds of units. Condos offer a low-maintenance lifestyle, often attracting individuals and couples. They are particularly popular in urban areas where space is at a premium and convenience is key. Finally, multi-family units like duplexes or triplexes blend the benefits of single-family homes and apartments. These properties can provide a steady stream of rental income while also offering the potential for owner-occupied living. Each property type comes with its own set of advantages and considerations. Understanding these nuances is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Single-family homes often appreciate well and attract long-term tenants. They are typically easier to manage and maintain, making them a popular choice for first-time investors. Apartments can generate substantial rental income, although managing multiple units can be demanding. The potential for higher returns comes with the need for more intensive property management. Condos offer a balance between convenience and affordability, but might come with association fees. These fees can cover maintenance and amenities, but they also add to the overall cost of ownership. Multi-family units provide both rental income and potential for owner-occupied living. This can be an excellent way to offset your own housing costs while building equity in a valuable asset. The beauty of residential real estate lies in its accessibility and potential for wealth creation. With the right approach, anyone can build a profitable portfolio. Whether you're seeking passive income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both, understanding the nuances of each property type is crucial. Each type of property offers unique opportunities and challenges, and knowing these can help you tailor your investment strategy. As you embark on your real estate journey, remember that knowledge is power. Educating yourself about the market, property management, and investment strategies will give you a significant advantage. By carefully evaluating your financial situation, investment goals, and risk tolerance, you can make informed decisions that align with your aspirations. Consulting with financial advisors and real estate professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance. So let's delve deeper into the world of residential real estate and explore the exciting opportunities that await. From understanding market trends to identifying the best investment properties, there's a wealth of knowledge to uncover. Your path to property profits starts here, and with the right tools and information, you can achieve your financial goals and build a prosperous future. Generating wealth through rentals, steady income, and long-term growth. This strategy has been a cornerstone for many successful real estate investors, providing a reliable source of income while also offering the potential for significant financial growth over time. Renting out properties is a popular strategy in residential real estate. It allows property owners to generate a consistent stream of income, while also providing housing solutions for families and individuals. This dual benefit makes it an attractive option for many investors. It involves purchasing a property and leasing it to tenants in exchange for monthly rent payments. This arrangement not only helps in covering the costs associated with the property, but also creates an opportunity for the owner to build a steady income stream. This steady stream of income can cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses, potentially leaving you with positive cash flow. Positive cash flow is essential as it ensures that the property is not a financial burden and can even provide additional funds for further investments or personal use. But the benefits of renting extend beyond immediate income. The long-term financial advantages can be substantial, making rental properties a key component of a diversified investment portfolio. As you pay down your mortgage, you build equity in the property, increasing your net worth over time. Equity represents the portion of the property that you truly own, and as it grows, so does your financial stability and investment potential. Moreover, real estate values tend to appreciate over the long term, meaning your property could be worth significantly more in the future. This appreciation can significantly boost your overall return on investment, making real estate a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. However, managing rental properties also comes with its share of challenges. Finding and screening tenants, handling maintenance requests, and ensuring the property remains in good condition are all part of the landlord's responsibilities. Dealing with occasional vacancies can be time-consuming and demanding. Vacancies mean a temporary loss of income, and the process of finding new tenants can be both stressful and costly. Fortunately, property management companies can alleviate these burdens by taking care of day-to-day operations for a fee. These companies handle everything from tenant screening to maintenance, allowing landlords to enjoy the benefits of rental income without the associated hassles. Whether you choose to self-manage or hire a property manager, understanding the intricacies of being a landlord is crucial. Knowledge of the market, property management skills, and a good understanding of legal requirements are all essential for success. This includes setting fair rental rates, drafting comprehensive lease agreements, and ensuring that all legal aspects are covered. A well-drafted lease agreement protects both the landlord and the tenant, setting clear expectations and reducing the risk of disputes. Staying informed about landlord-tenant laws in your area is also vital. These laws can vary significantly from one location to another, and being aware of your rights and responsibilities helps in maintaining a smooth landlord-tenant relationship. By approaching rental property investment with a proactive and informed mindset, you can maximize your chances of success and enjoy the rewards of passive income and long-term growth. With careful planning and management, rental properties can be a reliable and lucrative investment, contributing significantly to your financial goals and future security. Flipping houses for fast profits. Buy, renovate, sell, repeat. This strategy has become increasingly popular among real estate investors looking to make quick returns on their investments. The process involves a series of well-planned steps, each crucial to the overall success of the flip. Flipping houses is another exciting strategy in residential real estate, offering the potential for quick profits. It's not just about buying and selling. It's about transforming a property and creating value where there was little before. This can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. It involves purchasing undervalued properties, typically those needing renovation, and then adding value through repairs and upgrades. These properties are often in disrepair or outdated, making them less attractive to the average homebuyer. However, for the savvy investor, they represent an opportunity to create something new and desirable. Once the renovations are complete, the property is sold at a higher price, ideally generating a handsome profit for the flipper. The transformation from a rundown house to a beautiful, move-in-ready home can be dramatic, and the financial rewards can be substantial. The key to successful flipping lies in identifying properties with strong potential for improvement and accurately estimating renovation costs. This requires a deep understanding of the local real estate market and the ability to spot hidden gems that others might overlook. This requires a keen eye for detail, an understanding of market trends, and the ability to manage contractors effectively. Successful flippers often have a network of reliable contractors and tradespeople who can help bring their vision to life on time and within budget. Done right, flipping can be a lucrative endeavor, allowing you to leverage your skills and creativity to transform properties and capitalize on market demand. The satisfaction of seeing a project through from start to finish and the financial rewards that come with it can make all the hard work worthwhile. However, flipping houses is not without its risks. The process can be fraught with challenges, from unexpected repairs to market fluctuations that can affect the final sale price. Unexpected repairs, unforeseen delays, and fluctuations in the real estate market can all impact your profit margins. It's important to be prepared for these potential setbacks and have a contingency plan in place. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of the local market, a realistic budget, and a well-defined exit strategy before embarking on a flip. This means doing your homework, understanding the costs involved, and having a clear plan for how you will sell the property once the renovations are complete. Additionally, it's essential to factor in holding costs, such as mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance, which can eat into your profits if the property takes longer to sell than anticipated. These costs can add up quickly, so it's important to budget for them from the outset. By approaching flipping with a calculated and informed approach, you can mitigate risks and increase your chances of success in this fast-paced and potentially rewarding real estate strategy. With careful planning, attention to detail, and a bit of creativity, flipping houses can be a highly profitable venture. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the key is to stay informed, be prepared for challenges, and always keep your end goal in sight.